Hello kids, what's going on? Today in English class we are going to learn vowels and consonants again. Yes, again, because in earlier class we have already learned about vowels and consonants. So today we are going to repeat them. So there are 26 letters in the English alphabet that I told you in earlier class as well. There are 26 letters in English alphabets. So let us read them first, all the alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these all are 26 alphabets. Okay. Now out of these 26 letters we have 5 letters which we called vowels. So which are those 5 letters? Remember? Yes, those are A, E, I, O and U. Okay, again A, E, I, O, U. So these 5 letters are called nothing but vowels. Understood? And rest of the letters are called consonants. Which are the rest of the letters? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So these are consonants. Now after this, in the last class we have also learned about short vowel and long vowel. So let us repeat them. Now here we have short vowels. So a, apple. Now here we have long vowel. A, ape. See the difference in short vowel and long vowel. Listen carefully how I am pronouncing the words. A, apple, it's short vowel, and A, it's long vowel. Nest, A, nest. Here teeth, E, A, E. Then igloo, E, 5, I. Igloo, E, 5, I. E, I. Then top, rope, means O and O. Then mug, and here mute, U, U. So understood the difference between short vowel and long vowel? Now we are going to read some more pictures where we have short and long vowel both. Now look here and say after me. A as in ant, ant. E as in elephant, elephant. I as in ice, ice. O as in orange, orange. U as in umbrella, umbrella. Okay, again. Okay, start. A as in ant, E as in elephant, I as in ice, O as in orange, U as in umbrella. Okay. Now we are going to write vowels and consonants together. First we will write vowels and then we will write consonants. So first we will write vowels. What we will write? Vowels. V-O-W-E-L-S. Children, whenever you write anything, you spell that spelling. Okay? V-O-W-E-L-S. Now we will start writing vowels. Which are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels. Now, rest of the letters are called consonants. So, we will write them. Consonants. Spell it. C-O-N-S-O-N-A-N-T-S. Consonants. So, which are the consonants? Start. B, C, G, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So, these are the consonants. So, what you have to do now? You have to read and write these vowels and consonants 2 times. Okay? Read the spelling, vowels and then write vowels A, E, I, O, U and then you write consonants. Okay? So, practice vowels and consonants. Thank you.